Hello and welcome to Math Time, April 17th, 2020. Let's get started. All right. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, guys, today I have some review for us to work on. So our problem of the day, our target is I can use problem-solving strategies to solve the problem. So I've got a number line here, and I have between 0 and 1, and I have these numbers down here, and I'm going to need to put them in the correct spot. So that is the challenge today. I'm going to put you on pause, and when we come back, we'll go over our answers. Hello. Okay, welcome back. I hope you've put all of your numbers in the correct order. So now that we are ready to continue. I don't know about you guys, but I like to start with the easier ones first. That seems to make my day quite a bit. Okay, and when I was thinking, what comes between 0 and 1? Well, half. That just pops right into my mind, right? And remember, we can flash back to what we've learned before, guys, about our fraction, that the decimal 0.5 is equivalent. It's the same thing to 1/2. So I can go back and look at my chart if I'm not sure. So yes, a half is 5/10. 5/10. Notice I add the THS to 10, tenths, because it's not a 10, it's a tenth. 10 of these equals 1 whole, so they're quite small, okay? Kind of like 50 cents, okay? So now I can think about what goes between 5/10 and 1 whole. Oh, that's right, it's kind of like our money again, right? 75 tenths, 75 hundredths, sorry. We have 7 tenths and 5 hundredths. So, you know, if we were counting money, it'd be 25, 50, 75, $1, right? And what's close to that is, oh, I just kind of jumped out. 8 tenths would be real close. I'm going to actually just put it like right there, you know, because it's kind of like right there. That is close to 75 hundredths as well, because this is like 80 hundredths. When we have things to the right of the decimal, we can add as many zeros as we want because it's just kind of like nothing. Same with if we have a whole number, we could write zeros in front because it doesn't matter either. Okay? So now what would be really easy is 1/10, because we know that between 0 and 1, there's 10 tenths, so 1/10. Okay, now we need to think about 1 and 2 tenths and 1 1/2, or 1 and 5 tenths. 1 1/2 is going to be very close to the arrow because we know that if this is 1 whole here, to get between 1 and 2 would be kind of like it's way off the chart over here, right? So there we go, and then I'm going to put 2 tenths almost directly, but not quite in between 1 whole and 1 1/2. All right, guys, I hope this makes sense, and if it doesn't, feel free to watch it again, and make sure you check your work, and have yourself a great day. Bye.